Today, we have the CAT mini excavator with worker. The model number is 02467 and is officially licensed by CAT. The mini excavator is 1/16 scale. On the front of the box is the cutout with the Bruder CAT mini excavator and worker. Below is 3 pictures that show the different movements that the excavator can do. On the right side, we have an image of the CAT mini excavator in action. On the back, we have more images of the Bruder fleet of construction vehicles, including excavators, bulldozers, and a truck transport vehicle. We also have the official CAT sticker. On the left side of the box, we have a photo of the CAT mini excavator with worker in action. On the top of the box, we have the official CAT logo, the warning label, and toy description in English and other languages. On the bottom of the box, we have the official CAT logo and a small parts warning in multiple languages. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Here we have the information booklet and the Bruder catalog. It looks like the excavator and the worker figure are in 2 separate packages. The figure package includes a gray hat and the official CAT worker in his signature yellow shirt and dark pants. Now let's take a closer look at the CAT mini excavator. Starting off, we have the articulating arm with bucket. I like to control the bucket with my finger on the joint, but you can use 2 hands to control the arm and bucket as well. The full functioning excavator arm can turn at the base nearly 180 degrees and lock at the center. Now the driver's cab can turn 360 degrees completely around. Let's take a closer look at that. On the driver's side, we have a fold-out mirror and latched door. Inside the cab, the driver controls can be moved up and out of the way for the worker figure. The detailed interior is just like the real thing. Let's put the worker inside the cab to see how he fits. Just slide him into the driver's seat and his hands fit perfectly over the controls. He looks great inside the cab. Now let's move to where the plow blade is. We can move the driver's cab to the other side to get a clear view of the blade. The plow blade can be locked down for leveling soil, and then raised back up. Now on the back of the excavator, we can open up the engine cover to reveal the detailed engine inside. Lastly, we have the realistic tracks, another detail that works just like the real thing. Now let's see the Cat Mini Excavator in action. We can start by moving some of the sand with the articulating arm and bucket. Now you can see how easily the bucket fills up with sand and it empties just as smoothly. Let's see that again. Now let's see how the plow blade works. It can level the sand flat just as easily. This is the Cat Mini Excavator with worker. Thanks for watching.